Google's gearing up for the big Pixel 10 launch, but they've already given us a little appetizer to build the hype, a first glimpse at the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. The main event is set for August 20th in New York, but ahead of that, Google dropped a short 30-second teaser. And honestly, it's already enough to get Pixel fans talking. The teaser doesn't reveal everything, but it does give us some dramatic shadowy shots of the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. You can clearly see that large inner display when it's opened up, along with a nice clean view of the back featuring Google's signature camera bar. As for design, it looks like Google's sticking close to last year's Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So, instead of a radical redesign, this feels more like a polished upgrade, tweaking what already worked. The unit in the teaser shows off a slick gray finish, the same color we've spotted on the Pixel 10 itself. But if gray's not your thing, earlier leaks suggest we'll also be getting green and gold options, which should give buyers some extra flair. Specs, of course, were left out of the teaser. Google's keeping those under wraps for now. But leaks hint that the Pixel 10 Pro Fold could come with IP68 water and dust resistance. And judging by the camera setup, we can pretty safely expect Google's trademark photo performance to make a return. Now here's the curveball. While the launch event is happening on August 20th, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold might not actually land in stores until October. Word is Google's taking a bit more time to fine-tune production and rollout. So, what do you think? Is Google smart to focus on refining their foldable instead of doing a full-on redesign? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.